Is your job safe in 2026? Not next year, not in 5 years, right now. If AI could do your work faster than you, cheaper than you, without breaks, would your company keep you or quietly replace you? Because that is exactly what is happening in 2026. Today on AI Zone, we are breaking down 5 jobs AI is quietly replacing in 2026, is disappearing faster than anyone expected. Let us begin. Number 5, data entry specialists. If your job is moving information from one system to another system, AI already does it better. It reads handwriting. It understands long PDFs. It organizes spreadsheets. All in seconds. Companies are integrating AI agents to handle back-office tasks automatically. No salary, no sick days, no mistakes. If your daily task is copy and paste, you are competing with software. Number 4, customer support. Remember when chatbots were terrible? Those days are over. AI now handles refund requests, password resets, tracking problems, basic account issues, instant answers, multiple languages, no waiting music. Thousands of entry-level support roles are quietly shrinking. If your job is answering the same questions every day, AI is already doing it. Number 3, routine content creators, blog posts, SEO articles, basic captions. AI generates average content in seconds. The internet is flooded with AI-written content. In 2026, writing alone is not enough. Strategy matters, creativity matters, personality matters. If you are just typing words, AI types faster. Number 2, junior coders and QA testers. For years we heard, learn to code, but AI now writes functions, fixes bugs, runs tests, reviews thousands of lines of code. In seconds, the entry-level tech ladder is shrinking. The new skill is not just coding, it is managing the AI that codes. And finally, number 1, paralegals and legal researchers. Law runs on documents, old cases, contracts, precedents, thousands of pages. AI scans decades of legal history in seconds. It finds arguments, drafts contracts, detects loopholes. Senior lawyers remain, but the large teams of assistants are getting smaller. Research that once took days now takes seconds. Here is the reality check. This is not the end of jobs. It is the end of average work. AI is not replacing people who think. It is replacing people who repeat. We are entering the era of the super employee. One person with AI tools doing the work of 5. So the real question is not, will AI take your job? The real question is, will you adapt fast enough? This is AI Zone. If you want to stay ahead of the shift, make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you in the next video.